Best sneaker of all time. So what's up mga Shoppo? Kumusta kayo lahat? And today, magkakaroon tayo ng sneaker review. I'm so excited. Sobra excited talaga ako. Sobra. Alam mo bakit? Kasi for me, in my opinion, it is the best sneaker of all time. So lahat ng releases, in my opinion, ito yung pinaka-the best talaga. But before anything else, please like, share, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel para lagi ka updated. And today, before anything else, sa lahat ng sasabihin ko is, in my own opinion, and yun, bago lahat, i-intro muna tayo. Let's go! So ano po bang gagawin natin? Siyempre, kukunin natin yung ating sneaker for today. So, I bought it from Titan. So, hindi siya sponsor. Ayan. Shoutout to Titan. Sa Ayala Malls, Santa Rosa. Ayan. Soledad. So, ito yung resibo niya. Ayan. So, it's a local release. So, may siyang receipt. And, syempre, so, isa siya sa pinakakakaibang box kasi usually they come up with a black or normal Nike, katulad yan. So, kakaiba siya. So, dyan yung sa ating Game Royale na blue. So, ito, grabe, iba yung box niya. Ito, for me, as a collector, isa to sa pinakamagandang box na ginawa ng Nike or ng Jordan, in my opinion. So, grabe dito. So, box pa lang, ulam na. So, obviously, this is a size 13. My size. And yun. So, ang kanyang colorway is Air Jordan 1 Retro OG, High OG. Tapos, ang kanyang color code is DZ5485106. And ang kanyang color blockings or ang kanyang colorway is white, black, varsity red, sail, black, varsity robe, veneer. So it's a varsity red colorway. So if you know as a sneakerhead. I'm not saying dahil one of the best to dahil lang sa colorway niya. It's because of the history, no? As a sneakerhead, 1985 history, Jordan, the best player of all time. Alam mo na yun. You know that. So, ano ba? Let's open it up. Woohoo! So, this is the lid. Ayan. So, yung wing logo niya is nandito. Ayan. Andyan yung wing logo niya. There. So, special attention and Jordan. Special attention and Jordan. Yeah. Very nice. I love it. Tapos, kung papansin nyo, may design yung kanyang tissue paper. Ayan. Very nice. Ilalabas ko yung tissue paper mamaya. Let's get to the shoe first. Or the sneaker first. Di ako OA pero grabe. Pero, Shisha Ball. There. Yun. So let's set aside para ma-review na natin siya. Let's go! As a sneakerhead, every detail counts, every collector's counts. So let's see, yan o. So meron siya pictures ni Michael Jordan, grabe. Full history, yan. Sobrang historical, sobrang, OG sa OG. If you look it up, sobrang lalim ng pinaghuhugutan nitong lahat ng details dito sa shoes is sobrang lalim ng pinaghuhugutan niya. And sobrang historical ng shoes na to, promise. Kaya ako siya sinabi na one of the best or the best release ng Jordan. So this is the shoe. Sheesh, grabe to. Grabe to, man. I can't believe it. So, some people, sinasabi nila na they don't like the release kasi nga, hindi siya, iba siya, no? Kung papansin nyo yan. Hindi siya wing logo. So, usually kasi sa black toe, sa high cut, papakita ko na lang dito, ayan. So, usually, wing logo siya. So, yung typical na wing logo. Pero, ito kasi is reimagined. So, like, they come up with another idea of colorway na magkakaroon ng isa sa makakapagpabago ng history ng sneakers, no? So, ayan. Jeez, grabe. Yung red, yung pagka-red niya is very dark. Tapos, color blocking, black. Ayan, black, color blocking. Tapos, ang dalawa yung set of laces niya. So, meron siyang red. Ayan, red and black. So, ang ginamit ni Jordan sa box is red laces, yung nasinabit niya dito. So, yung sinabit niya dito sa picture niya dyan is red laces. So, isa to sa mga OGs colorway na ginamit niya throughout his career. So, yun. So, yan. Sail. Red. Tapos, toe box. White toe box. Ayan. White toe box. Grabe. Tapos, ang kanyang tongue is black. Black tongue. So, yung isang release kasi nito is white tongue siya. Yung black toe na 2016 release. So, black tongue siya. Ay, white tongue siya. Tapos, red. Yan, red yung kanyang. Ayan. Pero sobrang ganda niya, no? Tapos, ang kanyang insoles, meron pala siyang shoe tree. Yan. So, paper shoe tree. Nike Air. White Nike Air. There. Insoles niya, white Nike Air. Ayan. Poly something siya. Tapos, stitching, of course, ayan. Very nice stitching. Tapos, meron nga pala siyang hidden details here. So, nung history kasi niya, meron siyang friend na parang signature or binigyan niya ng sapatos. Pero here, kasi wala kasi yung black light. So, if makikita nyo, ayan, black light siya. Meron siyang firma here or signature here na galing kay Michael Jordan itself. So, ayan yung set of laces niya. Actually, the other pair, the laces, nag-laces na ako siya ng red. Kasi for me, parang maganda siya in red laces. Ayan. Very, yeah, red outsoles. Ayan. Very simple color blocking, pero for me it's the best kasi very neutral yung colorway niya, like white, black, red. So it can come in any outfits, like yan, no? Kahit suotin ko siya ngayon, bagay siya. And pwede siya sa shorts and pants. So that's why, in my opinion, it is one of the best, or it is the best colorway or ever released from Jordan kasi it's very neutral and very good sa kahit anong outfit, sa pants, ganyan. And through the history itself, it is one of the best parang history-telling or parang storytelling na rin kasi siya ni Jordan. Like, paano ba nangyari yun? Kumusta yung career niya, ganyan. So yun, meron nga pala siyang isa pang pair na black toe na na-release 2016. So ito siya. Ayan. So, papakita ko na lang. And some people, they don't like the Air Jordan logo here. But for me, it's very good. Kasi some people, ayaw nila. Gusto nila yung classic na wing logo. Some people, like their own opinion lang naman yun. Pero for me, isa to sa dream pair ko. No? For me, it's one of my dream pairs kasi as a sneakerhead, a lot of people or a lot of sneakerheads wants to grab a pair like this, no? Kasi, syempre, Jordan na yan eh, di ba? Jordan na yan eh. So, for me, the best of all time. Best releases of all time talaga siya for me. Ayan. So, i-rate ko yung pair na to like 10 out of 10. Very perfect, very timeless, very classic, very, neutral. Yan. One of the best or the best for me. Best releases for me. So, yun lang. That's all. So, set aside na natin and keep na natin siya. So, that's our sneaker review for this video. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoyed the video ngayon. So, nag-enjoy kayo. And please, as I always said, please like, share, subscribe para sa ating updates. So, yun, sneaker reviews for today. And, yun. So, ko nga pala, see you sa next video ko. Peace. Let's go. Sheesh.